Why don't seniors ever lose weight using exercise apps? Because every time they're told to swipe left, they just head to the cookie jar instead. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on exercise apps for seniors. Tip 1. Prioritize apps with an easy user interface. This includes a layout that is clearly organized with large fonts and buttons. Some apps can be quite complex and intimidating, so choosing simple, straightforward apps might be a better route for seniors who are not tech-savvy. Tip 2. Look for apps that have customizable workouts. Instead of choosing apps with one-size-fits-all exercises, seniors should look into those with routines that they can adjust according to their physical conditions. Exercise apps with customizable settings allow seniors to adjust the intensity and duration to match their fitness level. Tip 3. Consider apps that offer a variety of exercises. To maintain interest and commitment, choosing apps with an array of exercises can help. From yoga, low-impact cardio, to strength-building workouts, variety is key to avoid repetition and boredom. Tip 4. Choose apps with audio and video tutorials. Some seniors, especially those who are new to exercise, may benefit from apps that offer step-by-step audio or video tutorials. These can ensure proper form and prevent any possible injury. Tip 5. Pick apps that have built-in reminders or motivational features. It's easy to forget about daily exercise routines, especially for seniors with busy schedules. Therefore, apps with reminders for workouts or motivational incentives to encourage regular exercise are ideal. Tip 6. Opt for apps that integrate well with your devices. Some apps can connect to smartwatches or fitness trackers to monitor heart rate and other health stats. If seniors already own such gadgets, it is beneficial to choose apps compatible with them. Tip 7. Explore apps that include social components. If a senior enjoys community and camaraderie, finding apps that include sharing workouts, competitions, or groups can provide both motivation and social interaction. Tip 8. Be mindful of subscription costs. Many exercise apps come with a monthly or annual fee. It's important to choose one that fits the budget, but also delivers value in terms of content and features. Tip 9. Pay attention to apps that prioritize safety. Check if the app includes warm-ups, cool-downs, and safety tips to avoid strain or injury. Some apps can even detect falls or unusual patterns, alerting emergency contacts if necessary. Tip 10. Consider apps with tracking capabilities. Seniors who are goal-oriented will benefit from apps that provide detailed tracking of their exercise routines, progress, calories burned, and other fitness metrics. Tip 11. Try before you buy. Most apps offer a free version or trial period. It's a good idea for seniors to take advantage of these to make sure the app suits their needs and preferences before committing to a purchase or subscription.